Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about how to join two columns in a single column or multiple columns in a single column. So this is the very important one because nowadays you have seen most of the sheets first name is given different column and in last name is given in the different column. But if we want to connect them and join them with a single column as a full name, so how we are going to perform that? To perform such type of operation in Excel, it provides a simple function that is concatenate. With the help of concatenate function, we can merge two or more columns in a single column. Today we are going to see how we are going to do that. So simple data is given over here. First name column is given here. Last name column is given here. And we are going to join these two columns in a third column that is a full name column. So let's start. Here we are going to type our function is equal to, then we are going to type the concatenate function, concatenate into the bracket. Then we have to enter the first text. Our first text is mentioned in this cell reference. Okay, so we are going to provide the reference of a text. So first we are going to provide the cell reference E6, then comma, then we are going to separate these two words with a space. So that's why we are going to mention a double inverted comma space, double inverted comma, then column, comma. After that, we are going to enter the second cell reference, that is F6, and then bracket close. Now here the name first name is Shital, the last name is Rede. So after combining, it will gives the output as Shital space Rede. Okay, let's see. I am going to press enter. So here we see the Shital Rede is given over here. So this is the simple function of concatenate. With the help of concatenate function, we can merge two or more columns in a single column. So now I am going to drag and drop this formula to the below cell and we will get the simple output. I hope you have understand how to join or multiple columns in a single column. So please do like my videos, share my videos and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.